Hi, it's my pleasure to be here this evening to welcome everybody in the room to what has become a spectacular evening in the annual calendar of Mount Sinai Hospital and the Foundation. For 7 years now, we've gotten together to raise funds for thyroid care and research, and the results speak for themselves.
Although thyroid cancer is one of the fastest growing cancers in North America, it has also been one of the cancers that can be most successfully cured through early detection and prompt surgical treatment. This success has been in part due to the major contribution of Mount Sinai Hospital in the development of ultrasound and needle biopsy in the assessment of thyroid nodules and their rapid selection for those at risk for surgery. A very generous donation in 2005 from the Joseph and Mildred Sunshine family has permitted the establishment of a Center for Head and Neck Diseases at Mount Sinai Hospital. This patient care and research facility opened in 2008 and has assisted in maintaining Mount Sinai Hospital's ongoing leadership in the medical and surgical treatment of thyroid nodules and cancer in our community and worldwide.
Good evening, my name is Ranju Ralhan. I am Professor of Otolaryngology and Pathology and co-director of the Alexander Simona Schneider Research Laboratory in Molecular Oncology. I welcome you all to the 7th Da Vinci Gala and wish to thank you for your participation and generous contributions which help us to make groundbreaking research. We are truly excited about the discoveries that we are making in the Schneider lab. Using state-of-the-art genomic and proteomic technologies, we are identifying biomarkers for predicting aggressive thyroid cancers. The translational aspects of this research in terms of advantage to the patients is the identification of patients with aggressive cancer who can be monitored more rigorously and treated aggressively. On the other hand, it would benefit patients who do not have aggressive disease to avoid the side effects of rigorous radiation therapy. The exciting aspect is that using the next generation sequencing, we can also find new mutations and alterations which help us to identify new targets for targeted drug discovery. The novel drugs would be more effective in treating patients with aggressive disease.
I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Paul Walfish and the organizing committee for another highly successful Da Vinci Gala, the 7th such gala. Mount Sinai Hospital continues to be one of the premier centers worldwide in the management of, teaching, and research in the field of thyroid cancer. Our outcome statistics are equal to or better than any other major center in the world. Postgraduate fellows are falling over each other for the opportunity to train at this center. Thanks again to Joe Mappa and his team for supporting our multidisciplinary approach to this disease with resources that are second to none. I'd like to congratulate Joseph and ENZA Mancinelli, this year's honorees, for their tireless commitment to philanthropic causes and volunteerism to many worthwhile projects in Hamilton, which happens to be my hometown, and nationally. We applaud your efforts.
I'd like to welcome our new honorees for this year, ENZA and Joe Mancinelli. Thank you so much. And I'd just like to tell everybody I'm so grateful that everybody's here at the gala this evening. It's going to be a wonderful event. It's always been successful, but it looks like this year we're going to beat all our past years. We're already up in dollars and we're up in attendance, and it's just going to be a fabulous event. So thank you again, and everybody enjoy.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure to be here with you this evening. We're honored, Enz and I are honored to be here. We're also honored to be with such distinguished individuals like Dr. Walfish and his entire team at Mount Sinai, who have done absolute miracles in the research field.
I would just like to thank SHELLIANNE and her entire committee for putting on such a great event, working tirelessly day in and day out to make sure that this event is successful every year. So to SHELLIANNE, Dr. Walfish, and the entire committee, on behalf of Joe and I, we'd like to thank everyone for coming, and we hope you all enjoy yourselves this evening. So thank you very much.
Have a great evening, ladies and gentlemen.